On the 31st of January, a Learjet 55 was preparing for a critical mission. Operating as MedJet's Flight 056, the aircraft was going to take a child and her mother from Northeast Philadelphia Airport to Tijuana, Mexico. It would stop at Springfield Airport in Missouri for refueling. That evening, the sky was overcast with fog, light rain, and wind gusts reaching 30 miles per hour. Despite these conditions, visibility remained at 6 miles, well within operational limits. As the crew completed their final checks and received clearance from air traffic control, Flight 056 began taxiing to runway 24. 6 people were on board: a young patient, her mother, 2 pilots, a doctor, and a flight paramedic. The aircraft was operated by Jet Rescue Air Ambulance, which specializes in transporting patients abroad for medical reasons. At 6:06 p.m., the aircraft lined up on runway 24 and was cleared for takeoff.
Medevac, Med Service 056, on departure, turn right heading 290, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 25010.
The Learjet crashed into a busy commercial area near Roosevelt Mall, just 3 miles from the airport. Upon impact, the aircraft exploded, taking the lives of all 6 people on board. On the ground, 1 person passed away, and at least 19 others were injured. However, just 40 seconds after takeoff, it began to descend at an alarming rate, plummeting over 11,000 feet per minute before it hit the ground. Security cameras and dash cams captured the aircraft's descent before it burst into flames upon impact. This incident marked the second fatal accident involving jet rescue since a 2023 crash at Cuernavaca Airport in Mexico that claimed the lives of 4 people. On February 2nd, the NTSB successfully recovered the cockpit voice recorder and the enhanced ground proximity warning system, which could contain flight data. Both engines were also retrieved. These components were then sent to the vehicle recorder's laboratory for further evaluation. January was a tragic month for aviation, and the month before was no different. On December 29th, a Boeing 737 crashed at Muan International Airport, becoming South Korea's deadliest aviation disaster in decades. The flight was uneventful until the final approach.